Hey everyone, let's knit a mitered corner. This is useful around the outside edge of a blanket, or in this case, a wrap. On the first row, we're going to do a yarn over, slip the marker, knit one, and then yarn over. So every other round will be just like that. Yarn over, slip the marker, knit one, yarn over. And then we're going to work the rest of the way in pattern. The second round, when you get near that marker, so you're going to just knit all the stitches. You'll knit that yarn over you did the row before, slip the marker, knit one, and then knit the yarn over that you did in the row before. And then you'll continue around in pattern, which in this case is a ribbed pattern. Now, when we're doing the bind off for the mitered corner, when you get to right there at the very corner, let's add 1 to 2 chains. In my case, I'm just going to add one, but that will help you turn the corner. Like when you block your finished piece after that, it'll block a little bit nicer. And there you go. And you got a mitered corner.